Hi guys! Welcome nga pala sa ating channel. Mayroon na naman tayong bagong tutorial which is ang CSS3 full tutorial in Tagalog and English, and I will teach you guys on how to write your own CSS, and by the end of this course gagawa tayo ng sarili nating landing page at portfolio gamit lang ang HTML and CSS. If you're not familiar with HTML, visit nyo lang yung HTML tutorial natin at ilalagay ko yung link sa description down below. Gumawa pala ako ng pre-CSS and CDN tutorial on the on the HTML course para paghandaan ng course na ito. And I am assuming na meron kayong knowledge sa HTML and a little bit background knowledge of CSS. So, ano nga ba ang CSS? Ang ibig sabihin ng CSS ay Cascading Style Sheet, at ito ay nagbibigay kulay at design sa ating website gaya ng background color, text color, borders, padding, margin, at iba pa. By using HTML and CSS, pwede ka nang gumawa ng landing page na kahit walang JavaScript. So, tatalakayin natin ang responsive design na kahit ito ay desktop website, pwede mong i-view sa mobile o di kaya sa tablet na hindi man lang masisira yung design na ginawa natin. So, I will teach you from basic to advanced, at pagkatapos ng course na ito, you have the knowledge to write your own landing page or portfolio to showcase your skills. So, I think that's it. And for this introductory video, huwag kalimutan i-share, like, at subscribe para sa mga susunod nating video. Kita-kits guys para sa next nating video. We'll start coding. So, thank you.